Pradeep, also there's a question now, why Union Mutual Fund is not launching NFOs in this market when NFOs are picking up money?
See, I think in simple terms, I can tell you that the culprit is that people like me have been around for a long time, and we have seen so many mistakes being made in the market. So if you have lived through the market in the late 90s, 99 2000 period, where you saw a huge number of IT funds being launched, or you lived through the market in 2000 whatever 6 7 plus for 2 years, when a lot of infrastructure funds were being launched, and a number of NFOs were being launched at the peak of the market, in spite of there being consensus that the market was expensive. You would realize why we are not launching NFOs. See, we won't launch NFOs just for the sake of it. We would launch NFO if we find that there is a differentiated product which is suitable for our investors, something that can create long-term value. See, any product that we launch, we believe that it cannot be the flavor of the month. Because we keep telling all our distributors and investors that you should take a long-term view, take a 5-year view, 10-year view, etc., which would also mean that the products that we launch should also be, sustainable over 5 years, 10 years, etc. If we believe that a particular theme will run only for the next 6 months or 1 year, okay, then what is the point of launching an NFO and telling people that, you come and stay invested for 5 years? All of you who have been around in the market long enough would remember the experience of investors, who went for that kind of products in the past, whether in 2000 or 2008. So it is not that we will not launch NFOs. We are currently working on what we believe to be a fantastic idea. Let me also, take this opportunity to give you a peek into our next product. We are working on an innovation fund, okay, which is a fund that will invest in companies which are innovators or disruptors, okay, and basically, companies which are kind of new age in that sense. Okay, we believe that is a theme that will sustain over a long period of time. So as soon as we get SEBI approval, that's a product that we will launch. Not because we want to do an NFO, it is because we have arrived at, or we have found out a theme which fits with our investment philosophy and the philosophy of the fund house, which is long-term wealth creation. So yeah, we can also launch n number of sector funds and thematic funds. SEBI has very kindly allowed that, but as Union Mutual Fund, with all humility, I can tell you that we will not launch a single fund if we believe that investors cannot make money on it over the long term. But at the same time, yes, we have launched a money market fund today. So you're all very welcome to look at that. It's a great product if you're looking for investments of up to say 1 year or so. It is expected to be something between say a liquid fund and a medium term fund or a corporate bond fund. So that's a great product. So do look at that. But an equity NFO, yeah, I think we'll be careful with that. I'm not saying no, but when we come with an NFO, you can be sure that there is a differentiated product and there is a great idea.
Thanks, Pradeep. Just to add on, at least what I have seen over here is that the launching of a fund is a joint decision between the investment team, product team, and the sales team. So all three of them have to agree before launching a product. It is not purely a sales call or a product team call. It's a joint decision which happens at product committee level, where the investment team feedback is very important on when to launch the fund. So that is how we work.